is Toyota's Land Cruiser Megafactory, where one of the world's toughest off-road SUVs begins its journey. Every Land Cruiser starts inside this highly secured production facility. The process begins with raw steel, selected for maximum strength. Massive stamping machines form the body panels with extreme precision. Robots work together to shape every major body component. The legendary Land Cruiser frame is welded for extreme off-road durability. The body is mounted onto the frame with millimeter precision. Now the Land Cruiser begins to take its iconic shape. Toyota engineers inspect every detail before moving forward. The body is cleaned and prepared before painting.
Anti-corrosion coating protects the SUV for years to come.
Robots apply paint evenly for a flawless finish. Each Land Cruiser receives its signature color. The paint is baked to survive harsh environments. Powerful engines are assembled with extreme care. Every engine is built to handle tough off-road conditions. Each engine is tested before installation.
The heart of the Land Cruiser is now installed.
A strong transmission ensures smooth power delivery. Toyota installs its legendary four-wheel drive system.
The suspension is designed for comfort in rough terrain.
Strong axles help conquer extreme landscapes.
High-performance brakes ensure maximum safety.
A large fuel tank supports long off-road journeys.
The exhaust is tuned for power and efficiency.
Complex wiring connects all electronic systems. The modern interior begins to take shape.
Driver controls are carefully positioned.
Comfortable seats are installed for long adventures. Interior panels complete the cabin design.
Advanced climate systems ensure comfort everywhere.
Technology is tested for flawless performance. Strong safety glass is installed precisely.
Powerful lighting improves visibility on and off-road.
The iconic Land Cruiser face is revealed.
Rugged tires prepare it for adventure. Precision alignment ensures smooth driving.
Every component of makes Every component's spot is checked underneath.
Each SUV is tested against water leaks. Suspension performance is tested under stress. Braking performance is carefully measured.
Only perfect vehicles move forward.
Final touches enhance the premium finish.
The SUV is protected for transport.
The Land Cruiser is now complete.
Each vehicle is test-driven before delivery. Built to dominant deserts. Tested in extreme conditions.
Designed for the toughest terrain.
Smooth and powerful on the road. Ready for global delivery. Shipped to customers worldwide. A symbol of strength and reliability. Luxury meets durability.
Built by experts with decades of experience.
A true off-road legend. Trusted across generations. This is how the ultimate off-road SUV is made.